Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Alliance Paradigm 310 RL. Let's take a look at it. Over here, you're gonna see that little hood is where the batteries are gonna live. You can see the battery kind of like sinks in a little bit to make it lower, give you more room on the inside. This is where the generator would go in that area. Here's our through storage bay. It's so big. I like this big corner over here that's kind of extended off. Of course, it's like this thinner part right here. There's no tanks under this or anything, so you're gonna get that really noticeably large bay area. You can see the metal cage construction right here. It's kind of nice to be able to see how they weld and stuff. They do a good job. Very clean welds. Got external propane tank output right there. Now we got the solid steps right here coming up into the rig. So right here we've got the shock system that's gonna kind of bear all of the weight of the steps coming up into the doorway. And you can come on in to see the floor plan. So this is your classic rear living floor plan. It's actually one of the most popular layouts. You probably see this layout very often because it makes sense. If you think about Tetrising stuff, right? Like you have a bedroom, you have a bathroom, you have a kitchen, you have a living room. It just kind of Tetrises this way to proportionately make most sense. That's why a lot of people do this layout. So this is really big. This is bigger than every middle island that I have out of all my brands. That being said, we also have the enough room to fit you a sink right here. Stainless steel, undermounted. Got this little thing. It does come out and point around and stuff. It's full of stuff. Why did I do that? So we got the cabinets right here too. Cool lights. I like that. Everything in this whole rig is going to be soft close hinged. That's awesome. You also got that on all the drawers as well. Another thing that this sticker is talking about, it's going to be kind of tricky for the cameraman to catch, but they enforce underneath the drawer right here. So the point being is that these hinges are capable of a lot of weight, and they always boast that, but the middle of the drawer right here always breaks. So it's like, why are we going to have really strong hinges when the drawer can't handle the weight in the first place? So that is going to hold 90 pounds per drawer right in the center of the drawers. Now we can come over here. You got this really big Insignia microwave. Super great. Got the Insignia right here. So this is the really spaced out big 4-burner. And you got this residential oven right there. Very similar to a house. Huge. Fit a turkey in that thing. Right here, this is very cool because you can get this changed even if you buy it with the drawers. You can get these drawers taken out and you can get a dishwasher put into this thing because it's prepped. They have all the water source hookups right in this area ready for it if you're going to change plans and go to that route. So that's cool. That's just one of those little things that they do standard. Speaking of having water source stuff, it shows right here you have shutoff valves at every single water source in the whole entire fifth wheel. So if I get a leak right here, traditionally a lot of other fifth wheels are going to make me go outside to the front and shut off the water to the whole rig. This brand, I can just shut off water at this sink and I can keep my sink up there or flush my toilet or what have you. So that's every water source is going to have its individual shutoffs at the source inside. Makes it easy to keep track of. Here's your living room. You can notice the two-tone color palettes from the kitchen and the living room. It definitely separates the feeling. Being that they're so close, it makes you feel like you've entered the living room. It's just a design thing. I love it. The Insignia TV is actually a smart TV, so you get that. Nowadays, everybody knows what that means. Netflix, Hulu, streaming, all that stuff can be found onto this. Right here you do have a fireplace. The awesome thing about it is these guys decided, need some WD-40. These guys decided to make a storage behind it. A lot of people complain about fireplaces because they wish it was storage instead. A lot of people complain about storage because they wish it was a fireplace instead. Please everybody, right? That's hard to do. That's loud. So you got your couch right here and your theater seating right there. Cabinets above too, all the accent lighting. I love the lighting. Barely peeking out in the trim at the ceiling. Barely peeking out. That's barely even a space too. Like a popsicle stick wouldn't even fit in the crack between the trim and the ceiling. So over here, you got this cup holder spot. It does recline with motors, not like the pull cable that kicks your feet up. So that's cool. You got this sort of, it's not really a live edge, but they kind of go for that style, don't they? The way that they cut this, making the side of the table look all warped and cool looking, it's a good design choice, I think. So you get 4 chairs right here at your seating area. One of the benefits in this rig is there's no carpet anywhere. We love that because it's a good pet zone. And also, you know, we'll get stuff in on trade often, and the whole rig is perfect, but the carpet's just a little worn, and it does make the trade-in look used. And if it didn't have carpet at all, it'd be way harder to tell that it's been pre-owned. So it's just kind of one of those things. It just seems to hold up better. We got these chairs on the, you know, if you put the chair 2 legs on the floor, 2 legs on the slide out, your chair isn't popping a wheelie. And the reason being is that these are flush floor slide outs. So you can see right here, the slide out is basically flush with the floor. It does go up a tiny bit, but it's not even like half an inch. It's smaller than that. So being that you have that, you can, you know, sit with a leg off of the slide out, and you can sit around your table better with customized seating locations. And that's kind of the idea. Because when the slide out is a step up like a curb, you're just stuck on the slide out and you just feel cramped on how you can move around. 3 air conditionings on this kind of rig, on all of them. Coming up into here, you have the sliding door. We're locked. There we go. Sliding door. Those are nice. You're not inconveniencing anybody's space with the swinging things. And here's your bathroom. So very beautiful shower designs. You got your toilet right there. Even your toilet, remember how I said everything's soft close hinged? Even your toilet seat is soft close hinged, which just cracks me up. But no slamming at night, right? Make your way into the bedroom. King bed. They also do the pad on the back, so if you want to sit up and read a book at night, you can do that, and it's comfy. You don't have to build up a bunch of pillows back there or what have you. You have your own light right here too, so you can read a book or like whatever's going on. You get it. There's 2 of them, of course. Secret storage right here. That's what they call it. Oh, sorry. Hidden storage. And then inside here you got your dresser. You got all these. You got 6 of them. A TV above. Emergency exit windows so you can jump to your doom on the top floor. And then in here you have, I knew there was a light somewhere. There we go. Here's your closet. You can put a washer and dryer in this thing. Right there on that wall, right there. That's going to be the sticker that shows you where the dryer vent would go. And then you would have your washer over here on this other side. So they split up. So you can have the split units on this. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you one last thing. Is you have a little spot you can hide all your shoes underneath this little cushiony seat pad. And I'll show you what it looks like with it on. There you go. That's what it looks like with it on. Cool. There's kind of a few more things I could talk about this brand, and I could talk about this brand all day. But one being the roof construction. It's a PVC based rubber on the roof. One piece rubber, just kind of like that standard stuff you see. It looks the same as everyone else. But the fact that they switched it to the PVC based rubber, it's a repairable rubber. So typically on the other ones, if you get like a cut or a scratch in the roof, the whole, to repair that properly so you don't get leaks, the whole roof needs to come off. And they need to put a whole new roof on. It's not repairable. This one is. You can put a little patch, and if you patch it up 1,000,000 times, it does not void your warranty. So you can still come in whenever you desire to get a new roof put on with your warranty. Another thing is that they're building with Azdel in the walls. So what that is it's a composite material instead of wood. So that's what the structure of the rig is going to be made with, being that the walls will never rot, decay, mold, mildew, or delaminate. So behind fiberglass is usually wood, and you'll see those issues with wood-based ones. So that means that this will last forever in terms of wall construction, fighting against water elements and stuff like that. So if you have any questions on this rig at all, you can just call me and I can help you. My name is CoBuystedt, and my personal cell phone number is 541-735-1535. Thank you.